Hello everyone, welcome to my channel.
So, in this video, I'm going to tell you about assets. In the previous video, I was mentioning that you can import 3D game objects here. So, if you want to import a 3D game object
Or 3D model, whatever you call it.
you can right click and then click on the import new asset. But for now, I'm going to create a folder and call it models. And from here, I'm going to import new asset and then click on the normal car.fx. And then I can simply click on the car and put it here. As you can see, the car is like any other object. You can move it from axes and rotate it. And at the end, scale it. You can import any type of the files into your project. Unity supports 3D models, sprites that are 2D models for Unity, music, files like MP3, WAV, ORG, and so on.
That's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, then like it. And if you want to watch more of these videos, consider to subscribe. There are plenty of them in this channel.